It's time!
This is what it is, okay? I said empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend.
That's right. Be water, my friend. But sometimes you have to be fire. Welcome back, Home Warrior Nation. I'm Mr. M, and welcome back to another edition of Physical Education at Home, where today we have another strength training challenge. That's right, it's an ultimate strength training challenge part 2. And today we're going to be doing a challenge where we're asking you to be like water and be like fire. By water we mean learn to adapt, right? Make sure you kind of go with the flow of the challenge, learn the moves correctly, for kind of like allow your body to do its best by training it, by learning to go with the current. But we're also asking you to be like fire. And what we mean by that is sometimes you have to be willing to face the heat, face the challenge. Yes, it might be uncomfortable sometimes. It might be painful sometimes. But we know that through the sacrifice we make, we're making ourselves a better person. So, boys and girls, enough about that. You know what time it is. All right, so you need to ask yourself the question, are you ready to become the fitness champion of your home? And if you are, then come on, let's go. Let's do this. Okay, boys and girls, for our next Ultimate Fitness Challenge, we're going to be doing the same format as our previous challenge. And if you haven't checked that one out, I'll leave a link below. But for this challenge, we're going to be doing 30 seconds of work. That means 30 seconds of an exercise. And then we're going to have 15-second rest. All you have to do is make sure that while you're doing the challenge, you don't have to keep my pace. You're challenging yourself to get better. So just make sure you're doing the correct form and do as many as you can for 30 seconds. If you can only do 1, 2, or let's say 3 perfect push-ups, that's all you need to do, and then rest the rest of the time. But make sure you come back and do this challenge multiple times so you can get better. So now, boys and girls, it's time, right? Be like water, be like fire. You know what time it is. That time when we face our fears, we overcome obstacles, and we remind ourselves that hard work always pays off. It is time for warrior mode. So come on, let's go. That's better. All right, boys and girls. So now we are ready for a challenge, and it begins right now. So we're going to begin with some boxing as we do some footwork. Warrior mode on, let's go. Warriors. Now we're going to focus on our upper body as our next exercise is going to be the push-up. So let's go and get ready for it. In the gym, people hate leg day, but not us. Up next are lunges. Let's go. planks. You got this. Okay, Home Warrior Nation, time to rev up our cardio as we do ladder climbs. Don't give up, keep going. Now we're gonna work on our upper body as we do push-ups with rotation. Come on, be the fire. Now it's time to combine cardio with leg power because up next is the jump squat. Come on now, be fire. What better way to be fire than to be like Mike Tyson and unleash hooks and uppercuts? Come on now, let's go. Now it's time to work on our core. Up next is the side plank. Come on, Home Warriors, you got this. time to become water and fire as we do the punisher of all exercises, the burpee. Come on now, finish strong, Home Warrior Nation. Home Warrior Nation. We're close to the end. 2 more sets. And right now we're just going to do some breathing to center ourselves. So come on, join me. Let's go. Okay, Home Warrior Nation, we're down to the last thing we have to do after every battle, every sacrifice, every struggle, and every accomplishment. We have to remember, no matter how big or small, to always take a moment to celebrate. Home Warrior Nation, and we are done with our Ultimate Fitness Challenge Part 2. So next time, try to get a family member to join you, see if they can do it with you, but remember, always come back and do it again because you can always get better. Better form, do more, feel yourself get healthier, feel yourself get stronger. But it's time to go, boys and girls. So once again, it is time to ask yourself that question. Are you ready to become the heavyweight champion of fitness in your home? Because if you are, then come on, let's go. Let's get this.